What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for today, I got you guys a little K-Tuned goodie. Got the K-Tuned Billet RSX Shifter Box. This is the regular version to fit under the RSX stock center console. I do own a 2006 RSX Type S A-Spec. Check out the other videos on my previous videos if you guys want to see more of that. And this video is going to be a unboxing, install, and kind of like a review, final thoughts of the K-Tuned Billet Shifter. So I got this from Nemos-Garage. A link to Nemos-Garage and K-Tuned will be in the description below. Nemos-Garage has the best prices on K-Tuned goodies, and they carry a lot. Almost every name brand item Nemos-Garage carries. Very good company there. But I haven't seen any unboxing videos on YouTube, so I'm going to try to open this up one-handed right here. Like I said, I did have the race spec version of this shifter, but with my car, I don't want to have, not running a center console. I like a full interior. So give me 1 second. Trying to cut this open real quick. It's kind of hard. My bad for the camera angle, guys. Also, I got some other goodies in the mail today from ICB Motorsport. Shout out to Matt. I got the Integra Type S, the Honda front emblem, the rear emblem, the JDM DC5 coin holder, then some bumper quick releases because mine has some other brands. So when you open the box, it's a box inside of another box. That's always fun. Packaged very nicely, of course. Again, sorry for the camera angles. It is hard filming with one hand. As you can tell, everything's boxed up nicely, so nothing gets damaged during shipping. Now, I did opt out for the K-Tuned solid shifter base bushings. There's the part number. Shifter box bushings. I did buy these extra. Yours will not come with these unless you buy them. Right in here's the shifter. They do come with Allen keys. I wasn't sure if they did come with Allen keys or not, so I haven't seen any unboxing videos. So they do come with the Allen keys to adjust everything. Then over here is the shifter arm. This is pretty much the only thing difference between the race spec and the regular version is the shifter arm. Packaged up nicely so it doesn't get damaged. K-Tuned. Fully adjustable here. You can adjust the height of the shift knob of how high you want it there. This one, unlike the race spec, this one has a adjustment here, so you can have when you put it on, you can have it angled more towards the driver, or away from you, or even forward if you want to, up like this way. Very nice. Like I said, this one fits under the stock RSX console, and that's the only reason why I downgraded. Go ahead and pull the shifter box out for you. And you get a K-Tuned sticker. I will be putting this on my windshield. Shout out to K-Tuned. I love their parts. And there's nothing else in the box. Here's the shifter. It is like raw machined billet aluminum. So there's going to be like little imperfections here and there, but I mean, a lot of people polish these out anyway. Very nice. This right here has 3 adjustments to, you can have it adjust the throw when you shift back and forth. You can adjust how short it is. The very top one is going to be the shortest throw, medium, then the longest. When you adjust this, you have to adjust this bracket here. As you can see here, all the way to the left is the for the shortest throw. So right here, you'd want this all the way to the left. If you want it all the way to the left is the longest throw. So you have to all the way to the left for the longest throw. You take this all the way to the right, and that angles the cable upwards to make it the shortest throw. It also has these 2 adjustments here. The bottom one and the top one. This is for side-to-side adjustment. It's hard to do with one hand. Let me put the arm on it real quick. It's going to be side-to-side adjustment. How much side-to-side movement you have back and forth, left and right. So if you wanted the shortest left and right, you leave it at the top. If you want the longest, you leave it at the bottom. Very nice piece. Now there is adjustments on the bottom of it if the shifter is too stiff for you. There's these 2 little Allen head set screws with these locking jam nuts. K-Tuned does a very good job of how to instruct you on how to adjust them. But you can adjust them there. These will need adjusted like around after a year or so, because it is a brass ball in here, and then it will, you know, need to take adjustments, or not brass ball, brass inserts, my bad. So it will need to be adjusted, maybe in the future, if it gets loose on you. But that's the unboxing there. Like I said, this is the regular version. The Pro version, as you can see, has a different arm here. The Pro version, or the race spec version, I should say, is a lot stronger. It's for, you know, intended for racing and all that stuff, but I wanted it to fit under the stock, you know, the stock console, so I sold that one and downgraded, which I don't see no downgrade in my opinion, because it's still a awesome shifter box, down to this one. I'll put the arm on for you. Still a very nice piece. I will be installing it in the next clip. Then I'll show you going through the gears, and you can see how short it is, and put all my console back in. You can see how it looks with everything put back together. Alright. Alright, I'm in my car. As you can see, the old shifter box is already removed. Like I said, I had the other billet one. To remove your factory shifter box, there's going to be a panel here. I'll show you after I get everything put back in. There's a panel here. You have to pop under here. It'll pop out. Unplug the wiring. There's a screw here, a screw here, one right here and one right here on the console. And you can pull the whole console out. There's also 2 screws back here. I'll show you when I put the console back in. And it's just simple. 4 bolts there. Undo the shifter cables here with these, you know, mine are different, whatever, because, you know, these are the race spec K-tuned cables. But like I said, it's very simple. You know, there's 4 bolts. Drop the shifter in. I'll show you when it's installed, and I'll show you the finished product. Alrighty, just got the shifter all installed. Very, very easy. Don't let this adjustable shifter cables, if you have the race spec, scare you. They're very, very simple. To adjust this cable, all you gotta do is leave the shifter alone. Don't touch it. Adjust this linkage right here until it's the middle of that hole. Then stick the bolt in it, tighten that down. Same with this up here. Put the shifter where it's most vertical. For me anyway, for the most vertical position. Adjust the linkage here, this end link, until it's in the center of that hole. Put the bolt through it, tighten the nut. These right here are not adjustable. You just tighten them all the way down until they're snug. So it might look intimidating to a lot of people. It was to me, but it's very simple. And like I mentioned at the unboxing, to adjust the throw of the shifter, you know, the forward and back motion, you just got to adjust it right here. This is the shortest the shifter can go. 3rd, forth. That's perfect in my opinion. But if you guys want it longer, just take the linkage down to middle or to the bottom. The bottom's the longest. But if you adjust the throw, you have to adjust the angle of the cable bracket here. Like I said, there's a screw right here, like I showed in the beginning. All the way to the right is for the shortest throw, all the way to the left is the longest throw. Then when you get that adjusted, which in my opinion that's absolutely perfect, the thing feels awesome. Just like the people say, like, oh, it feels like you're loading like a bolt action rifle. I agree. It's amazing. If you never shifted one, you're gonna have to shift one. Then the linkage over here, those two slots right there, like I mentioned, it's to adjust the left and right motion. See, this is the shortest. I left it the factory settings, but this is the shortest left and right motion. I mean, it's pretty small. I may go to the bottom one to spread the gears out just a little bit, but I mean, I'll probably leave it because I mean, all the way to the right wall, all the way to the left. But if you want it wider, so you can, you know, go further over left and further over to the right, so you can, you know, find the gears maybe easier for you, just drop the linkage down one here. The box mounts like factory. 4 of these bushings here, or 4 of the bolts. Like I said, I opted out for the solid base bushings. All 4 corners here. The other one's right there. But it's very, very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my console back in, all back together. Then I'll show you guys the complete finished product with the console in and all of that. Alright guys, got the whole console put back together. To remove the console, push this tray in, pull right here, and it'll pop this panel off. It'll reveal a screw there, a screw there. Then when you have that off, you can pull right here. It'll pop this guy up, and just work your way up. Anyway, there's 2 screws under there. But the only problem I'm having is look how far back the shifter is. This is a automatic bezel piece, so maybe that's why, but all the way forward, but you can see how back the shifter is. When it's all the way back, it almost hits right here. So I'm thinking about this rotating it to like right around there. Then that centers it up in the shifter. Then I'm gonna have my shift boot on there. I think that's how I'm gonna run it. You can see all the shifter in there, looks good. I think I'm gonna have it ran like this. It feels really, really good. Like I said, the shifter is almost exactly in the middle. With it back here, like they give it to you, you can see how far back it is. And I can't run it like this because it hits the cable there. So I'm just gonna run it like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it down, this piece right here, and then I'll be right back. All right, 100% complete. Got the shift knob forward. This is how I'm running it. It doesn't hit in there. There's clearance. Neutral. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Thing goes into all gears real nice. Feels really good. Feels good, looks good. If you guys are wondering, this is a OEM 5-speed A-spec shift knob from the RSX. My car is a Type S, but it has an EP3 tranny in it. If you guys don't know, For the new people, this car makes 711 wheel horsepower. Check out my other videos. This video is not about that right now. It's about the K-Tuned shifter. But I will be getting the shift boot or the manual little bezel piece. This is all they had at the junkyard. I'll be getting the manual bezel and a shift boot. It will cover up all the goodness down there, but I like my interior OEM. But alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you later.